Hi guys, this is Samir here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Android tablet to be used as a car head unit, and what are the software setup required for this. So first, go to the Google Play, and then you need to download an application called as Car Web Guru, which is here, and click on this and install this on your tablet. You also need to have another application called as Rotation Orientation Manager. This is very important. Once you install this application, you need to open this application. This application allows all the apps that's opened to be in a landscape orientation. So let's open it. And you can see this app. Let's do force a landscape orientation here. Click start. So all the applications will be in landscape, which is important for your head unit or the tablet to open when you use in your car. So let's go back to the Car Web Guru. So this is how the interface looks like. Allow everything. Allow it to use your microphone. Select home app default as Car Web Guru, so this will open by default. This is how your head unit will look like. These are the themes, and you can also have edit theme. So this looks nice in my opinion. Allow all access. You can see all the programs here. You can also change the themes based on your dashboard, whatever dashboard colors you have, orange. You can also put all the details, which is important. I'm just putting 4x4GULF here as a title. And then the manufacturer I'll put as, let me search for Toyota. There is Toyota. And the model is fjcruiser. There you go, and the date will be 2013. Done. Okay. You can see all the details here. You can change kilometer, miles. It's up to you to choose what you like. And this is a screen. Now let's start editing the themes. You can change here to Toyota and allow all access again. So click long press on this to bring the edit tab button. And you can choose whatever application you want that tab to be. For example, I'll choose here Google Maps. So that tab will be Google Maps. And long press again. And then you can choose the next tab. Let's say Gaia GPS. And then you can long press and change the tab. Whatever you like. You can have calculators. You can have, let's say, Wikiloc. You can long press and change this tab to, let's say, Google Play. That's here. Okay. You can also change anything that you see in green, and you can choose any application that you want which is available. Let's put this as a my file, so you can browse your files inside this tablet. Okay, that's about it. And just scroll down, you can see the themes. You can change the themes here, select the themes that you like, and whatever themes suits you better for your car, you can choose it from here. Go back to home, and when you open any application, because we force the application to open in landscape mode, see that it works only in landscape mode, which is very important for your car. Going back again, you can even delete whatever you don't like by clicking delete. Whatever tab you don't like, you can delete it from here. You can also delete the themes if you don't like. So you click on the themes, long press, and then say do you want to delete it? Click OK. So you can delete all the themes that you don't like and just keep the theme that you like. It's very simple. Let's try to reboot the device, and I'll show you that if you restart the device, it will come back to this screen. So let's do that. Switching off the tablet. So here we are. Let's enter the password. The application has opened by default in the CARWEBGURU. So this is how it works, and this is how you set up. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.